ban shanga pibaro kibashitong bat ibakia jingken.
Omduna lais pa Ngut ki kanarit big Samla Shillong bat kentai kilapoi ban Shim Bynta ha ka 29 State Karate Championship pa arsngi ha ka khatsan bat khat riu terik no pra. Ya kini ka lumpung ya kun la pelong de ka All Meghalaya Karate Do Association AMKA bat la play de uba ran som setengah. Kiwi kirang ba ki bladon lang ha kini kesngi kilong Working President ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA uba John F Kharshing Joint Secretary ke MSOA ubak pi lalu, ubak Jo Marwen rang bak shnong ke Maukar, bak Arwan Estariang lembek ki dekot nongkit kam ke AMKA, ki kena bele akai bat ki kemi ki kepa jeng ki kena Shim Bynta hakani ke jeng yako.
One day we'll produce many state players, many national players, many international players, especially in karate. Now, from my side today, this is the 29th State Karate Championship 2023. We learned that there were about 372 participants from the 10 districts of our states. Now from my side, I want to encourage all the participants. Number one is discipline. When you are in any championship, number one thing you have to do is discipline. This is very, very important. Whether it is off the track or on the track, you have to be disciplined. And number two is hard work. Therefore today I encourage all these 372 participants to maintain disciplines and also to work hard in your games.
And I'm very happy to also tell you that in another few weeks we will all be in Tura, West Hills, to conduct the 5th Meghalaya Games, which will be held for the first time in 50 years. The Meghalaya Games will be held in Tura, in West Hills region. As you know, the Meghalaya Games, as per the policy, is to be conducted every year, and we are pursuing this with the government. We are grateful to the government who is supporting this. Also, we are supposed to host the national games. So Meghalaya Games is a trial event for the upcoming national games, which Meghalaya has to host. Now it is not only hosting the games, I hope, especially karate, to win national medals when we host them in Meghalaya.